Good day, everyone. This is my radar report. My name is Rahima Dilimba, BA 4. If you have a book of assessment of student learning 2, kindly open the page 80 to 83 so that you can follow for what I'm saying. And I will going to continue our discussion. So my topic is all about table 4.5, cumulative percentage, frequency lesser than and greater than. And the table of 4.6, frequency distribution and midpoints of assessment of student learning 2 in a certain state university in a Metro Manila artificial data. So before going to solve cumulative percentage, frequency lesser than and greater than, let me explain to you first what is the meaning of cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? The cumulative frequency is calculated by adding each frequency from a frequency distribution table to the sum of its predecessors. And that is the meaning of cumulative frequency. So now, in the table 4.5, it's represent the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than and greater than. And now we are going to find first the total number of the frequency before we proceed to the cumulative percentage lesser than. How to find the cumulative frequency? To find the cumulative frequency, we are going to add or subtract the given frequency numbers. Okay, to find the cumulative frequency, we are going to add or subtract the given frequency numbers. So 3 plus 5 equals 8, 8 plus 4 equals 12, 12 plus 5 equals 17, 17 plus 6 equals 23, 23 plus 9 equals 32, 32 plus 6 equals 38, 38 plus 4 equals 42, 42 plus 3 equals 45, 45 plus 3 is equals 48, 48 plus 2 is equals 50. So the total number of our frequency here is 50. So we will write the 50 here. And now I am going to proceed on how to compute the cumulative frequency lesser than. But before that, let me explain what is the meaning of cumulative frequency lesser than. Cumulative frequency lesser than is obtained by adding successively the frequencies of all the previous classes, including the class against which it written. Always remember, when we are going to solve the cumulative frequency lesser than, is always start from the lowest to highest of a number. And the remembering mark of the lesser than symbols, it's look like the left arm when we are writing. So if you are left-handed, you are belong to the greater than symbols. Now I have here an example on how to find the cumulative frequency lesser than. And now we have here an example on how to find the cumulative frequency lesser than. So this is how to solve the cumulative frequency lesser than. So from above going down. So 50 minus 3 is equals 47. 47 minus 5 is equals 42. 42 minus 4 is equals 38. Here. 38 minus 5 is equals 33. 33 minus 6 is equals 27. Here, 27. 27 minus 9 is equals 18. 18 minus 6 is equals 12. So this is the 12. 12 minus 4 is equals 8. 8 minus 3 is equals 5. So 5 minus 3 is equals 2. So this is the cumulative frequency lesser than. Cumulative frequency greater than. The meaning of cumulative frequency greater than is the type of particular value of the variables is obtained by communicating or adding frequencies of all values and greater than values starting from the frequency parts that particular value. Example, by adding frequency to the frequencies of all values greater than that value. So if you are left-handed, you are belong to the cumulative frequency greater than. Now we are going to find the answers of cumulative frequency greater than. Okay, to find the cumulative frequency greater than, the process is to write the 50 here from down going to up. So 50 minus 2 is equals 48. So 48. So 48 minus 3 is equals 45. So we will write the 45 here. So 45 minus 3 is equals 42. So we will write the 42 here. So 42 minus 4 is equals 38. So we will write the answer here, 38. So 38 minus 6 is equals 38 minus is equals 32. So we will write the 32 here. So 32 minus, so 32 minus 9 is equals 23. So the answer is 23. So 23 minus 6, 23 minus 6 is equals 17. So 23 minus 6 equals 17. So 17 minus 5 is equals 12. So we will write 12 here. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. So the answer is 8. So 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equals 3. So the number here is 3. So that is the cumulative frequency greater than. Okay. 50 minus 2 is equals 40. 48 minus 3 equals 45. 45 minus 3 is equals 42. 42 minus 4 is equals 38. 38 minus 6 equals 32. 32 minus 9 is equals 23. 23 minus 6 equals 17. 17 minus 5 is equals 12. 12 minus 4 is equals 8. And 8 minus 5 is equals 3. So that is how to find the cumulative frequency greater than. Now I will continue our discussion. The main goal of my report on how to find the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than percent and cumulative percentage frequency greater than percent. To find the percentage frequency lesser than, I am going to write the formula. This is our formula. CPF lesser than is equals CF lesser than over N times 100%. So, and the total number of our cases is 50. So I already write 50 over 50. So 50 divided by 50 is equals 1 times 100%. So the answer is 100. Then this answer is, we will going to put here in the first column of cumulative percentage frequency lesser than percent. So this is the 100. CPF lesser than is equal CF lesser than over N. So the next we will answer the 47 divided by 50 times 100% is equals 0.94 times 100%. Oh. So the answer is 94. So we will write the 94 here. So community percentage frequency greater than percent. So they are the percentage frequency, but the frequency greater than, we will start from how to find the cumulative percent. To find the community greater than percent, write first the of the one 100%. So frequency greater than percent, write the 100 here below. community percentage frequency greater than 1. So next, greater than CF times 100%. So our number of cases is 48. 48 divided by 50. Equals times 100%. So the answer is the answer is, so our community greater than percent is, we will write the 96 percent. $45. So our community percentage frequency, or CPF, greater than is equals CF greater than 100%. 45 times 100%. 50 is equals 100. So the answer of is, so we will write the 90 here. Get the cumulative frequency greater than by 50. Answer of the community 42. So we will write the 42 for 50 times 100%. Oh. By 50 equals 0.84. 0.84 times 100%. So the answer is 84%. So in the cumulative percentage frequency greater 6 percent, 34, 24%, 16, and the last is 6.0%. That is how to frequency greater than percent. So 50 divided by 50 equals 1 times 100 equals 100. 48 divided by 50 equal times 100 is equals 96. 45 divided by 50 times 100 is equals 90. So 42 divided by 50 times 100 is equals 84. So on and so forth until you going to top. So that is how to find the cumulative percentage frequency greater than percent. Yes, this is my own examples of cumulative frequency lesser than and greater than, and the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than percent and greater than percent. So this is my examples. So this is the number of workers or frequency. So first thing to do, we will add 4 to 5 and until we go to the total numbers of frequency. So this is the income of workers, which 232 to 240, 241 to 236, 259 to 300, 302 to 326, 332 to 350, 226 to 310, 135 to 210, 264 to 285, 296 to 324, 295 to 299. So we will add this, the number of frequency. So 4 plus 5 is equals 9. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. 16 plus 6 equals 22. 22 plus 3 equals 25. 25 plus 4 equals 29. 29 plus 5 equals 34. 34 plus 3 equals 37. 37 plus 3 is equals 40. So the last is 40. 40 plus 5 is equals 45. So the total number of our frequency is 45. So we will write the 45 here. And next, these are the cumulative frequency lesser than. So how to find the cumulative frequency lesser than? Okay, to find the cumulative frequency lesser than,